This is the Twotrees TS1, a compact and beginner-friendly laser engraver that's designed to be easy to use straight out of the box. No complicated setup, no confusing software, just plug in, connect and start creating. In this video, I'll show you how the TS1 works, what makes it a great option for beginners and what you can actually make with it. So whether you're brand new to laser engraving or just curious what this little machine can do, stick around. Okay, let's see what you get in the box. First up, you get the machine with the filter plate. There's also a USB cable and power supply to get you connected up. There's a small pack of aluminium focus plates for focusing on your material, the user manual, and a small screwdriver and Allen key for any minor adjustments, and not forgetting a pair of safety goggles. Then all you need to do is plug it in and turn it on. You can operate the machine with the buttons on the top, and when you first turn it on, it'll auto home and then go to the preset start position, ready to work. Focusing is simple. You just place the aluminium plate on top of your workpiece and adjust the focus ring on the laser until you have a small dot. To download the mobile app, you can use the QR code on the back of the manual. And once you have the app open, connection is simple. Just click on the chain link on the top left, scroll over to Physicom and click Search Laser. Once your laser pops up, select that and then you're connected. It's as simple as that. You can move the laser using the arrow keys on the control panel. And you can also do basic drawings and add basic text in the creation part of the app. But what I found was best was being able to bring in designs that you can find online or to draw yourself with free programs such as Inkscape. Once you have an image loaded in, all you need to do is press the test button to make sure it fits on your material, and you can adjust the size, work speed and laser power too. Then just add the filter plate and press start to start engraving. So now I've had a bit of time with the TS1, let's talk about materials and its performance. I've tested it with a few different types of woods, some slate, cork and some coated MDF. So first up, a laser engraved Dad's beer on a wooden bottle opener, and it gave a really nice contrasty finish. As you can see here. I also tested some poplar plywood, which gave a nice finish, and also a cork coaster, and that gave a really nice contrasty finish too. Then I tried some coated MDF, and I even tried a lollipop stick. Next up I tried a coated cardboard gift box, and I actually had to run this twice, turning the power up on the second attempt, and although it looked quite good, the coating started to peel off afterwards, so it wasn't usable. So then I engraved a coated MDF coat hanger, but after cleaning I lost a bit of the contrast, so I decided to put it back on using a bit of rubber buff, rubbing it in to give a nice contrasty look afterwards. So let's talk about the pros and cons. Some things I really liked and some things that you might want to keep in mind before purchasing. First up, the size. It's a compact, lightweight machine and it's perfect if you haven't got a large workshop and just need something to simply sit on a desk and engrave now and again. You can even store it away in a cupboard when not in use. It's very beginner friendly. You simply plug it in, turn it on, download the app and load in an image. Then there's the price. At this price point you're getting a lot. You've got a machine ready to go straight out of the box that you can personalise gifts for yourself or even to sell on and start a small business. This machine can literally pay for itself within a few sales. Then there's the wireless app, no complicated software, just simply download the app, load in an image and press go. Another plus is it's very quiet to run and you won't disturb the house every time you start a new job. Then there's the cons. It does have a small work area, so you are limited to the smaller items rather than large products or big batch items, and it doesn't have a very powerful cutter, so you are limited to laser engraving rather than cutting. Then there's the app, which is quite user-friendly but pretty basic. So if you were actually trying to design stuff yourself, then you'd have to use an external program such as Inkscape. So while this machine isn't heavy duty, it does nail what it's meant for. Simple clean engraving for beginners and casual users. So if you're looking for an affordable way to get into laser engraving that won't break the bank, it's definitely worth a look. So what's the final verdict on the Twotrees TS1? Well, honestly, I think this machine's a fantastic entry point into the world of laser engraving. It's affordable, easy to set up and works straight from your phone. So whether you want to make personalised gifts for yourself or even to sell, a TS1's a solid choice. It's not the most powerful machine out there, and the small work area might not suit everyone, but if you're just getting started and you're on a limited budget, it ticks all the right boxes. And if you're interested in the TS1, I do have an affiliate link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more laser engraving tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions about the TS1, then please drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.